Mustangs.
Just a few? Tell us about it. What year is it? What do you think?
Mid to late 60s. Kind of hard to tell if I see the whole car. I'm not going to go tracing through the woods trying to find it.
Come on.
67, something like that.
Let's see what she's got on this. Oh, that's
What
missing.
Dusty seems to be interested in is that year.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
She was the wild thing.
Yeah.
That's what the roll pin says.
Oh, nice. More, well, this one's got pans in the bottom at least. In the floor.
Yeah, I'm sure you can drag it out of there.
Oh man, that other one was so much better than this one. I mean, it was missing the floors, but it had interior.
Well, there you go. You got the floors now.
Yep. Here's the floors, baby. Let's see here. Get us some. Oh, what do you call that stuff that itches you real bad? Oh, shoot. What's that itchy stuff?
Poison ivy.
Poison ivy, yeah. Mustang Ranch right here.
There's old Bart's car.
I think it's a 67.